We've got a Photon 5G with a IPG 6 kilowatt laser, so we can cut up to 25mm, which was always our aim, so we can fulfil most of our plate requirements for both businesses. One of the main attractions for myself was the fact that the machine is made in the UK, and we've got a full UK support team only an hour and a half away, which is a massive benefit to us. I think the speed and the energy saving, the Photon 5G in particular, compared to the CO2 lasers, they're not as power hungry. Its speed's incredible. You know, it's 325 meters a minute positioning speed, and the way that it harnesses the power on braking, it stops with a positioning accuracy of I think 50 microns from 325 meters a minute. It harnesses that power and uses it again in the next acceleration, which is obviously an energy saver. So from that point of view, it's leaps ahead in my opinion. Okay, yeah, so we found the user interface really easy to use. So we reference the plate with a 3-point reference. We've got our information sent straight across from the office. We've got a fibre link across here straight to the laser. This is a 3mm nest for a customer, so it's just a case once you've referenced it, it's as simple as pressing go, and away it goes. The Esprit Photon 5G has been a great game changer for us, so I would definitely recommend it to anybody else looking to get into lasers in general. It really is a game changer.